Hey, John Crestani, big poker player here and multimillionaire affiliate marketer. I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with poker. 100% guaranteed way to make money online. I'll be walking you through on my laptop right here how you can do this. Let's get it. So I love poker. Poker is one of my favorite passions. It's the ultimate game of just like I don't know, it's like war. And it's a great way to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you how you can make money online with poker. But there's a caveat here, is poker itself is a complicated game and it requires a lot of time to learn, and you can lose money very easily playing it. You can't guarantee anybody will make money playing poker. So we're actually not going to talk about making money playing poker. We're going to be talking about money selling poker. And if you're a poker player, it's the best, because I'll show you how you can make money as an affiliate marketer, getting people to sign up for poker websites. Now, let's go over to my computer here. Just a brief note is, what I do for a living is I market products to people online. And I make a commission based on if they take any sort of action. So I'm going to show you the two sites where you can make money by referring poker players, and I'll also show you a few ideas of how you can get started as a marketer for poker programs. So the first program here is called 888 Affiliates, and as you see, 888 Poker is a very popular poker playing website, and if you look at this right here, it says, so far we have happily paid our affiliates $207 million online. So affiliates have made over $207 million just by getting people to sign up for this one specific poker site. Okay, that's insanity. That's a lot of money. This is a really good poker program. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing for poker programs specifically, I would 100% recommend sign up for 888 Affiliates. Now, if you want to see their commission structure, the way things work is I'm just going to go to their commissions right here, and you'll see you can earn money two ways with this. You can either earn a flat rate per new sign up that you get for each player you get, and as you'll see, you get about $100 per player that registers with 888 Poker, and they kind of have different tiers based on how many people you send them each month. So you could opt to just get a flat rate per player, or you could get a revenue share. Now, what's called a progressive revenue share. The more people you refer, the more money you make. So you can earn up to 40% of the revenues that 888 Poker makes from each player. Now, this is what I recommend you do. You're not going to make as much money if you're opting for a flat rate per player. You may make a little more money in the short run, because you might make $100 right when you get that person to sign up. But over time, that player is going to spend more and more and more money on the poker platform. Some will spend way more, some will spend, nothing. But over time, you will make way more money, and you'll create a business for yourself that will last for years if you take the revenue sharing agreement. And that's how I make my passive income in my business. I make over $30-some thousand passively in my business, and it's from revenue sharing programs. Okay, so revenue share is the way to go, but if you're just starting out, I don't blame you. If you want to just kind of see the flat rate, you just want to see $100 first, right? If you're advertising to poker players in the United States, you have to use a different company. So for US players, you actually have to use this site. This is a good affiliate program called Commission Kings, and they own and operate the site betonline.ag, and this site accepts poker players played for real money from the US. So this is how you can make money from your US audience, but I would recommend you also have a link for your 888 Poker, which is, they pay out the really big money. So you want to get more of your players signing up for this guy. Now, let me show you an example of how can you get your link in front of poker people that want a site to sign up for. So first, let's go to YouTube. Let's just type in the word poker. Okay, so what you'll see is you'll see a lot of videos. This has 134,000 views. This has 457,000 views. This has 3,000 views. This has 174,000 views. So there's a lot of people watching videos on playing poker online. This is a pretty big niche, and there's a lot of money to be made. This is a good video. The truth about Dan Bilzerian's poker ability, and it has 1.3 million views. Really smart video title, right? He's kind of tying in Dan Bilzerian's kind of like a famous influencer, and he's using kind of like clickbaity tactics and also just something people want to learn about. I want to learn about it. So this is some guy. It looks, you know, just a basic guy. He looks like he's in his bedroom or something. He got 1.4 million views on this video. So what's funny is he's not promoting any affiliate links in his description. So he's probably leaving hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars perhaps on the table because he doesn't have any affiliate links in the description here. Now, one way to make money with just recommending people to poker programs is put up your own poker videos like this guy Doug Polk is, and live stream yourself playing poker. Put up videos about different poker tactics. Teach people something new or informative. Then just include a link in your description saying something along the lines of sign up to play poker online here. And then you would say US players sign up here. Okay? Something like that would be the easiest way to make money as an affiliate marketer, and all you would need to do is sign up with these affiliate programs, and you would say, join the success, and you'd sign up for their affiliate program, and they'll ask you for some information and get your affiliate link and start promoting. What you could even do is what I just did, which is you could actually just go in the comments, you could grab your affiliate link and just post your link in the comments of other people's poker videos. That would be a really easy and kind of sneaky way without even creating your own videos. Just post in the comments of other people's videos, because I'm sure a lot of the people watching this video about, Dan Bilzerian and poker, I'm sure a lot of these people are interested in poker and they are interested in playing poker, and some of them would want to play poker online. I know I do. I just, haven't known a good site to sign up for. So that would be a really easy way to get your start in affiliate marketing, and it would be a guaranteed way to make money playing poker. Just live stream yourself or put up videos of yourself playing poker and tell people to sign up for your affiliate link in the description. $100 per referral. So if 1 in every 1,000 people signed up, just to give you the math here, for a poker site, we would have 1,395, let's say times 100. That's $139,000 just from this one video. Now, there's no guarantee you'll get a video that goes big like this and gets 1.4 million views, but just to give you an idea of what you can earn with one big video, you could earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if you want to learn more about how to make money online and how you can be an affiliate marketer, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There should be a link somewhere around here. And by subscribing, you'll get access to a free course on my channel homepage, which is a 10-video course about how you can get your start as an affiliate marketer and start earning money online. And you'll also get some free bonuses with that. If you enjoyed this video, click like. And also, if you want to learn something specific about making money online, just let me know in the comments below what I should teach you about next. Talk to you soon.